Here, take out that skimmer, put that off to the side. Put the vacuum on, put the hose on the head if you didn't have it on. Put it down in the pool, and you want to kind of, get it out there. Usually doing it in the deep end's easier because you can sink it further, right? So you're using the gravity of it. And now, stretch out the hose. All the way. And then the trick is just submerge it so that you're pushing all the air out of it. And then at the end, you should see water coming out. Boom. There you go, right?
Yep.
And then, this one I had mixed there. Then you're going to go to this back hole of the skimmer and plug it in. And now it's in and it's sucking. The pump's sucking on it. Then we're going to go over to the other skimmer. Take out the basket. And then we'll move the little white disc over that hole in the back.
So that's sucking really hard from the other one.
So it's only pulling from that other skimmer. And you'll see a little bit of flow there. That's fine.
Okay.
And then now we're going to come over to the pool pump. And we'll label these. This is the skimmer, this is the main drain. We're going to go as far to shutting off the main drain until you hear how the pitch of the pump changed, that little bit of cavitation. Listen right here. Right here.
Got it.
You hear that?
Yes.
So we want to get rid of that cavitation. So we're going to just open it up maybe a little bit like that.
Okay.
You really want to do it on sound, but maybe leave a quarter of it open. Now we're pulling as much as we can from that skimmer pipe and the vacuum hose over there. Now we're going to go and vacuum. And so you can stop it at that point.